What happens if you train an AI on your own entire digital life? Imagine if a computer could learn everything about you, your habits, your thoughts, even your secrets. What if you could train an AI using your entire digital life? Today, we're diving into an experiment that's as fascinating as it is unsettling. We live in a world where we leave digital footprints everywhere: emails, social media posts, messages, search history, and more. But what if you took all of that data and fed it to an AI model to create, well, a version of you? First, I needed to collect my digital life. I downloaded everything: years of emails, my Instagram archive, Facebook posts, and even my old MySpace profile. Yes, it still exists. This data is deeply personal. It's like holding up a mirror to every thought and interaction I've ever had online. But for this experiment, I was willing to open the Pandora's box. Next, I used an open-source AI platform to train the model. This wasn't some sci-fi supercomputer, just a readily available tool that anyone with the right knowledge could use. But here's where things got interesting. The AI started learning, digesting thousands of emails, piecing together my social media tone, and analyzing my preferences. Essentially, it was trying to mimic me. Once the AI was trained, it was time to test it. Could it write an email the way I do? Could it answer questions like me? Could it even sound like me in text conversations? Example conversation overlay. Human, what should I eat for dinner? AI, you're probably craving sushi, but you'll settle for pizza. You always do. The results were eerily accurate. The AI seemed to understand my patterns, my favorite foods, my style of humor, even my bad habits. But this experiment also raised some uncomfortable questions. If an AI can learn to mimic me, who owns that version of me? Could someone misuse this data? And what does this mean for privacy in a world increasingly driven by artificial intelligence? It's not just about what's possible, it's about what's responsible. Of course, the AI wasn't perfect. Sometimes it made mistakes. It misunderstood context or gave responses that felt off. But that only made me think, how close are we to a future where these systems become indistinguishable from us? So, what happens when you train an AI on your entire digital life? You get something extraordinary, and maybe a little scary. But one thing's for sure, the line between human and machine is getting blurrier every day. What do you think? Would you trust an AI trained on your digital life? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this experiment, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Who knows what we'll explore next? Subscribe for more mind-blowing tech experiments.